So here's a 1982 Bantam C366 653 Detroit diesel. As far as the Bantams go, this would be considered actually a good later model for them. It's got really good undercarriage. And before this owner, a logger, owned it, it was a back spar. It's still got a couple of pieces up there of some leftovers from the gantry. Another bracket there. The Lynn buckets, and for 1982 a quick change was a pretty big deal. So a single wedge bar, quick change. And this one had the modern pilot controls, not the bigger pedestal mount ones outside. So that was high technology then. Narrow little cab, like 6 feet. Really deep, it's back about 5-6 feet, real narrow. But definitely a modern hydraulic excavator for that period. Got big cylinders on it too. The stick one and bucket are really good size, the chromes. So I'm guessing that's a 6V53 with the twin pipes. Yeah, it is. I can see through it there. See the manifold and the valve cover. A lot of daylight in there too. Everything in line on the one side, engine and pump, hydraulic tank. There we go, good history.